I'm attorney Christopher Nudo, and I've been practicing law in the Chicago market for over 30 years in the area of estate planning. Today, I want to talk to the young adults. A young adult is somebody who's 18 years old to 25, maybe 26 years old. You're going off to school or graduate programs or just entering the workforce. You are now responsible for all your own medical decisions and financial decisions. I'm hoping that through your life, you've been guided well by mom and dad. And sometimes the help of mom and dad can be very helpful. I'm going to encourage you to have a healthcare power of attorney and a financial power of attorney prepared. You never know what life is going to throw at you, whether it is an accident or an illness that renders you incapable of making good healthcare or financial decisions. These become real tragedy in a young adult's life. If you're away at school and something happens and you need mom and dad's help, they're not going to have the authority they need to be there by your side. That's why I'm recommending that you contact our office and have us help you prepare a healthcare power of attorney and a financial power of attorney. These documents will allow mom and dad to help you in the event one of these tragedies occur. It's very simple. All you have to do is either call our office and talk to one of our intake specialists, Alexis or Kelly, or you can go to our website, navigate to the Contact Us page, and we'll gladly get in contact with you right away. These are scary times, but let's be honest, very exciting times as you're entering this new chapter of life. Be prepared and have the proper documents in place so that whatever life's curves are tossed at you, you're prepared. We look forward to working with you.